Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to open Wise bank account. So just open the Wise application on your mobile device. Just tap for register and simply just enter your email address and just tap for continue. And after you will be just check your email. So go back to just confirmation email address from here. So after, what kind of account would you like to open today? Personal account or business account? And right now I will be just tap for personal account. So select your country region right over here. So I'm from Pakistan and I will be just selected Pakistan. So if you are another country, so you will be just selected from here and just tap for continue. After, what you can do with Wise in Pakistan: send money abroad, and these are the not available yet. Hold and convert money, receive money, spend abroad with the card, and earn our return. So just tap and just type your phone number and just tap for continue. After, it will be just send a verification code. So just check your mobile and just type this verification code. After, you will be just selected a passcode from here. So I will create it, and make sure you will be just created a strong password. So if you are unable for the Face ID or set passcode, so I will be just go for Face ID, and make sure you will just have to allow it. So Face ID is on, so you will just have to wait. Set your communication preferences, just tap for continue. So Wise would like to send you notifications. If don't, so just tap don't. So right now, tell us about yourself. So I will be just type my full name and my last name, and select your date of month, day, and the year, and just tap for save to continue. So enter address manually. You will just write over add your home address. So right now I will just simply create my Wise account easily. Thank you. Hope this video help you.